I guess all your skin issues and health issues are fixed by now by watching all the live experiments or lab experiments that's going on internet. Is that so? Hi, I'm Dr. Sakshi Sehwal. If you are new to my channel, I have specialized in the field of general oral health, and in this video we will be talking about the new hero, that's Be Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2%. So let me tell you something about my skin. I have normal skin and I have tan skin tone, and 2 years back I was bombarded with hormonal cystic acne. If you have been following me and watching my videos, you know I was not wearing any makeup throughout summertime, and you can easily see in that my acne marks and cystic acne. So yeah, I was embracing all of that. I thought, why not to share my 2 cents knowledge with you all, ताकि आपको भी हेल्प हो जाए. So let's start कि what salicylic acid, यार ये क्या कर सकता है, आपको हेल्प कैसे कर सकता है. Salicylic acid is also known as BHA. So this one is keratolytic and oil soluble. That means it breaks the bond between your topmost layer और उसको exfoliate करता है, and because it is oil soluble तो ये deeply आपके pores में जाता है और उनको unplug कर देता है if there is any debris. That's why it's great if you have blackheads and whiteheads. Now it is also anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. If you have redness going on, if your skin is inflamed, if your skin is congested, if you have acne. I was having cystic hormonal acne. That means they were like huge, more than 1 centimeter big lesions. So उस टाइम पे मैंने यूज नहीं किया था, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली यूज किया है. ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव वेरी ऑयली स्किन, या यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर सैलिसिलिक एसिड, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों की ये इशू रहती है दैट देयर फेस गेट्स वेरी ऑयली. सो ट्राई यूजिंग दैट. दिस इज वेरी पोटेंट केमिकल एक्सफोलिएटर. लुक हाउ वेल इट एक्सफोलिएटेड द स्किन. वाओ, look at that. And don't overuse it. Why I'm saying it again and again? Because I am seeing so much misinformation on the internet. Please, I saw someone saying that
अरे यार फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएटर लाइक माइक्रो टीयर्स करता है क्या, मतलब उसमें बुराई क्या है? जब आप माइक्रो नीडलिंग यूज करते हो तो भी तो वो आपकी वुंड्स करता है स्किन में.
Like people compare exfoliators to micro needling. So अब बारी आती है how I use it. I use a very gentle cleanser and all the products links are in description if you want to check them out. So I do this at night, right? I don't use actives or any exfoliator during day. Then I let my face completely dry. I use a drop, as you can see, of salicylic acid, and I use that as spot treatment. So this is the one way that you can use. Another way is, एक वीक पहले मेरे पीरियड्स होने से मैं एक बारी पूरी पिपेट अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करती हूँ, and you have to rub the serum on your face. Please don't पट वाले motions नहीं करने. Use your products nicely, यार. Rub that on your skin and don't apply on your eyes. Or as you can see, my cheeks were very congested because of hormonal acne, और थोड़ी सी अभी marks हैं, and my face is much tanner as I already mentioned than rest of my body. So yeah, you can see the difference. Then सूखने के बाद 1-2 मिनट वेट करने के बाद I go ahead with hyaluronic acid and I apply this all over my face. You can definitely skip this if you don't have hyaluronic acid. This moisturizer is by Acrofire Dr. Reddy's and it already has niacinamide. Please use products that are fragrance free because fragrance irritates your skin, and then you put all the blame on a product that why it's not working. Honey, because you have already irritated your skin from years and now you are putting all the blame on a product. So yeah, be mindful of what you are using. Keep your skincare minimum. As you can see, it takes time to blend, but it blends. I have not edited the whole clip. That's how it works on your skin, and it's totally normal. If you see such thing happening with your moisturizer, don't feel afraid. It's like इसमें कुछ भी खराबी नहीं है. I have also used Axilla by Cipla. वो भी ऐसे ही blend होता है. Maybe because they have niacinamide in them. This is how my face looks close up. And salicylic acid is also great because it works really well with all your moisturizers. Yeah, I'm showing off my nail paints, but yeah, it doesn't wall up with other moisturizers or with other serums, so आराम से आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. वो पिलिंग या बॉलिंग अप नहीं होता प्रोडक्ट की. That's how I use salicylic acid. When to use it? As I have mentioned, I use this at night. You can definitely use this during daytime, but I will not recommend it as it exfoliates your skin and बहुत सारे लोग भूल जाते हैं sunscreen apply करना. If you are applying sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours and if you are using this during daytime, it's fine. मैं अभी भी बहुत सारे reviews read करती हूँ, don't worry. So मुझे पता रहता है, you know, behind the door what's going on. So हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार ये तो प्रोडक्ट, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाइक ये सैलिसिलिक एसिड है बी मिनिमलिस्ट का, तो वो बोलते हैं यार ये तो काम नहीं कर रहा है. यार आप ढंग से तो यूज करो. एक तो आप सालों सालों से सनस्क्रीन वेयर नहीं कर रहे हो और फिर सारा ब्लेम डाल दे रहे हो एक बेचारे प्रोडक्ट पे. एट लास्ट, व्हाट टू वॉच आउट राइट व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग 2% सैलिसिलिक एसिड. एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. फर्स्ट, लिसन टू योर स्किन. अगर आप ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपको ड्राइनेस दिखने लग जाएगी या पील ऑफ होने जल्दी लग जाएगी, इरिटेशन होने लग जाएगा. So take it easy. Number 2, if you are using salicylic acid in a face wash form, don't use another salicylic acid product. Third, avoid products having fragrance, essential oil. Next thing, fourth is please don't use tretinoin or any form of retinol, retinoic acid, what do you call a vitamin A in the same routine. At last, fifth point, salicylic acid 2% is very potent. Please use it very gently on your skin. By the way, this is how my face looks. Non-sticky, right? Doesn't ball up. बार बार हाथ नहीं लगाना अपने फेस पे जैसे मैंने अभी लगाया. बस that were my views on 2% salicylic acid. If you have any suggestions, if you want to know about any product or if you want to talk about anything that's going in your life, breakup हुआ है, let me know in the comment section. We'll talk and discuss. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and अगर helpful रहा हो, hit that like button. मैं मिलूंगी फटाफट से next video में. Till then, bye. This is how you show your nail paints to other people. This is by Purple, right? I absolutely love it. And I want to show you that mark. It peeled out really well. एक ही बार मैंने salicylic acid का एक ड्रॉप अप्लाई किया था and next day it started peeling off. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Look at that. This is how my skin looks. Looking really nice and काफी हद तक improve हो गई मेरी skin. But don't forget to keep your skincare minimum, right? I will meet you next time. Bye.